Science and Technology, Class 9th. Laws of motion. Motion of an object. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings and at rest otherwise. Presence of motion. Flight of a bird, leaves flying through air. Absence of motion, a stationary train, a stone lying on a hill. Uniform motion. Uniform motion is the motion in which an object covers equal distance in very small equal intervals of time. Look at the given picture. Here the car moves in uniform motion and it covers equal distance in equal time. Thus the graph between distance and time is a straight line. Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion is the motion in which an object covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Look at the given picture. Here the distance changes non-uniformly with time. Thus the car is having non-uniform motion. Uniform circular motion. When an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Speed can be determined using the formula given, that is, speed is equal to circumference upon time. Wheels of the bicycle are in uniform circular motion. Scalar quantity. A physical quantity which has magnitude only is called a scalar quantity. Vector quantity. A physical quantity which has magnitude and direction is called a vector quantity. Vector quantity. Displacement, velocity, momentum, acceleration, force. Scalar quantity, speed, distance. What is speed? Speed is the distance covered by an object in unit time. Speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken. Distance is defined as the length of the actual path traveled by an object in motion while going from one point to another. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Displacement. Displacement is the minimum distance between starting and finishing points. Displacement is equal to velocity multiplied by time. Velocity. Velocity is the distance covered by an object in a given direction in unit time. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. A is equal to v minus u upon t. U is equal to initial velocity, v is equal to final velocity. An object in motion can have two types of acceleration: uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Momentum. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity of an object. Momentum is equal to mass multiplied by velocity. Rate of change of momentum is equal to mass multiplied by final velocity minus mass multiplied by initial velocity upon time. Newton's first law of motion. An object continues to remain at rest or in a state of uniform motion along a straight line unless an external unbalanced force acts on it. Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum is proportional to the applied force and the change of momentum occurs in the direction of the force. Newton's third law of motion. Every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force which acts simultaneously. Force. Force is the product of mass and acceleration. Force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Inertia. The tendency of an object to resist a change in its state of rest or state of motion is called inertia. There are three types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of direction, inertia of motion.